You won't believe everything we're about to say about the Ford Edge. Now, the Ford Edge is one of the most popular Ford products in the Nigerian market, but it is lagging behind most of its competitors like the RX 350, the ML 350, and the Acura MDX. And that is because it has a very poor technical support ecosystem here in Nigeria. Now, looking at its performance, the 2010 Ford Edge output 268 horsepower, while the 2010 RX 350 output 275 horsepower. The 2010 ML 350 output 268 horsepower. The difference in performance is not really the issue here. The issue is the technical support ecosystem. Nigerians want a car that they can buy and get the spare parts when they need it. If performance was the issue, maybe the 2012 Ford Edge would have fared better because it performed better than the RX 350. Most of us know how quickly a Ford Edge could go from driving 80 miles per hour to, "Oga, you need to change your top gasket." Its cooling system is very poor, and even when you intend to fix it, you go through a very rigorous process. The water pump is nestled deep inside the engine, and in trying to fix the cooling system, you could damage many other things. The suspension of the Ford Edge is very rugged. It is very rare for you to see somebody buying Ford Edge suspension parts twice if he actually bought the original one. So while the vehicle is flawed by some engine issue, the suspension is very rugged.